So first of all, the crushed fibers here. I'm just gonna, I got my rag wet, and you can see that it's quite moist. And I'm just gonna push it into the, I don't want anything to go into this finished surface, but I really wanna try to crush some fluid into those crushed fibers. Yeah, just let it soak in. Make sure I'm not dripping. See, I dry on one side, wet on the other, just so I can keep control. Make sure it's not going everywhere. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's moisture saturated in there. And because now we're dealing with a curvature surface, this is definitely a huge impact. So I'm gonna kind of fold over so it's doubled up. Get some really good moisture in there. I'm gonna steam it and rotate it around, and then rotate more of my rag around. Just heat up get that steam going. Work a little bit. Get my dry part, keep that dry as much as possible. I'll get those steam marks out, those white markings. That's okay. Now, if there's anything loose, we got to tear it out. Put that piece in there. Nothing's wiggling. Okay, so it's now solid.